Okay, this is a 1970, or really 1969, Zenith Chassis 13A16. I have no idea what the... model A1810C. Here's the SAMs, the heavily molested SAMs. Here's the TV. And in a previous video, we verified this thing worked. We're going to plug it in, but today we're going to prep it for longevity. Longevity as in making all the capacitors in it correct, replacing any tubes that are tolerant, cleaning the thing. We're glowing. The CRT tested fair. I had to rejuve it. This is the wrong knob. Oh, jeez. There's the boost, and there's our picture. And our horizontal output's weak. See if we can get channel 14. Nah, not in here. So let me hook up the generator. I noticed the vertical is being stretched out and pushed down here after it runs for a little bit. You can see that it's stretched at the top and squished at the bottom. That nice Zenith buzz. And I'm gonna robo-tubulate the controls back here. Vertical linearity, vertical height. Kinda squeezed in on the sides, like pin cushion. Okay. This is vertical size. Okay, that's good. Vertical linearity. Still a little bit squished at the bottom. AGC linear. We're gonna have to do vertical size. That looks good enough. Looks about right. That's a big old heifer. She draws about 120, 130 watts. Come on, you little turd. Contrast just crapped out. There we go. All these controls are super dirty. Plenty of brightness. That's weird. Brightness is affecting vertical hold. Looks pretty good. It's plenty loud. That's bright. I don't know what the hell that is. That's not quite in the middle. That's the horizontal hold all the way to one side. Yeah, that's a problem. Yeah, it's in good shape. We're gonna pop it open and change any horizontal. I said the horizontal output. Geez, vertical output's kind of weak too. This thing's got a lot of hours on it. Yeah, this thing needs some new tubes, valves, transistor-filled vacuum bulbs. Well, I see some tubes that are kind of weak. So let's pop her open. The beauty and chaos of the Zenith handcrafted television. It's hot. I can't believe that's working because it's got a crack in it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Except it says 13. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I guess the picture tube counts as 13. What kind of hack is that? Well, I'm gonna leave it alone. It seems to work, but this has gone to air. Somehow it's still working though. What is it? A 1BY2A? I think I have one of those. Real dirty. Pretty crusty. See, the tube has got some hours on it. But we checked it and it checked okay. And I see some replacements. That's a RCA replacement. And that's the GE replacement. That's the original Zenith. Zenith. I bet all these are Zenith. Yeah, that's a Zenith. I bet these two are Zenith too. And that's a Sylvania. So it's definitely got some hours on it. Small little flyback. That's a little bent. Super simple chatheth. Zenith Thervathaver Thathy. What we're gonna do, we're gonna check high voltage, because I think this has gone to air. And it's not conducting as well as it's supposed to be. I need to find a cheater cord. That's a cheater cord. Zenith Thervathaver Thathy. 13A16SZ. Thervathaver. Does the S stand for Thervathaver? Does it stand for Thervathaver Thathy? I'm surprised this thing doesn't have instant on. Oh wait, no, we gotta hook up our anal probe before power it up. It's not pretty, but it works. God, it takes forever. $10 kilovolts? Right on 10. It's a little low. Service saver. 10 kilovolts is a little low. Probably could use a new one. Anyway, what we're gonna do, 11AF9. Ouch, that's quite hot. What we're going to do is we're going to check all the, and I'm not going to do this on camera, we're going to check all the vacuum pressure filled vacuum bulbs, transistor filled. And we will replace any that are weak at a volt low, because this is going to be a daily watcher. Horseflies having a cow over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check these and we'll come back. And I have replacements for all of this stuff. This is all simple. I don't know what a 4HS8 though. I'll probably have to find that one. Okay, I did some replacements. The one BY2 rectifier. Got a new old stock GE and replaced the 17JZ8 and the 38HE7. Now, unfortunately, I can't test the video output tube, the 11AF9, because this is a silver tone. A 10-pin tube, not a 9-pin, a 10-pin special tube. I'm going to see if our high voltage changed any since I replaced that. I doubt it did. No, yeah, I didn't change. Oh, no, it went up by a kilovolt. Went up by actually 2 kilovolts. Wow. So how we looking? Vertical's running way too slow. Doesn't look like we have a lot of activity from the tuner now. Or our contrast is... I do want to try something. I want to see if this left outside in the rain for 50 years, well, 30 years, Silvertone tube will work. That would be amazing. Instant sound. Hey. Sound still hasn't came up. I took it a little bit. Looks pretty good. Vertical's pretty jittery. I'm gonna hose this tuner down. Okay, power up test. I also cleaned all the controls. And I replaced the 6EA8. Had grid leakage. Yeah, it'd help if it was plugged in. Geez, really? It made that much of a difference? Man, a new 6EA8 brought that right to life. Wow. Don't quite know what the hell that is. Let's look up the Nintendo. This sucker's ready. Okay, we're gonna go to channel. And for some reason it's not working. Okay, what's the problem here? Try that again. Seems to be working. Oh, jeez. whack out. Anyway, I'm gonna clean this up, but thanks for watching. You'll probably see this in some more videos. More to come later.